Welcome and good morning. We are from group J4 AC110 1B. I'm Mohammed Ramadan. I'm Mohammed Irfan. I'm Abdulmani Muhammad Azmi. I'm Shaisha Bigal Tisari. So today we're gonna present about nuclear.
Clay brick. Red brick is made from clay that is shaped, dried, and fired at high temperatures. It has been used for thousands of years in traditional and modern construction. Type of red stone. Clay brick. Used for regular walls. Facing brick. More beautiful surface quality for building facades. Engineering brick. Stronger and less water absorbing. Fire brick. Resistant to high temperatures and other than that is general use. Building walls, fences, partition, facades, decorative floors, and traditional structures. Reinforced bar steel. Reinforced bar steel or rebar is a specialized steel rod or mesh used as a tensioning device to strengthen concrete and masonry. While concrete is exceptionally strong, under compression, pushing force, it has very low tensile strength, pulling or stretching force. Rebar is cast into the concrete to carry these tensile loads, preventing the structure from cracking or failing under stress. This improvement in mechanical performance, combined with excellent manufacturability and recyclability, has made steel a fundamental resource in industrial development and technological advancement. Type of steel. There's two types of steel. First one is plain round bars. These are smooth, circular steel rods that lack any ribs or surface indentation. Because they are smooth, they do not grip concrete as effectively as other types. Deformed bars. These are the most common structural bars, featuring a series of ribs, lungs, or deformations rolled into the surface during manufacturing.
Engineering properties and characteristic material. Clay brick. Density medium 1600 to 1900 kilogram per meter cube. Compressive strength height 5 to 30 depending on type. Water absorption medium to high. Fire resistance very good. Thermal conductivity low to good as an insulator. Weather resistant depends on type and combustion process. Reinforced steel bar tensile strength very high. This ductility high can bend without breaking. Density 7,850 kilogram per meter cube. Compressive strength also high. Corrosion resistant moderate, requires protection such as paint and galvanization. Thermal and electrical conductivity high.
Clay brick. Compression straight test. Purpose: to perform a brick compressive string test. Tools: compressing testing machine (CTM), steel plate for leveling the surface, dimensional measuring tool, scale.
Breakwater absorption test. Purpose: determine the ability of brakes to absorb water and assess the quality and durability of brakes. Method: sample preparation, drying and initial weighing, soaking, surface drying and second weighing, water absorption calculation, and evaluation of result. Tools that gonna be used: laboratory scale, waterbed or tank, clean water, wipe clothes, timer or clock, and safe soft brush optional.
Dalamnya berapa? Berapa?
Ni je, ambil batu.
Kat sini kan? 378. Okay, next.
Okay, tutup. Tutup.
Bending test. Purpose: determine the bending strength of steel. Measure the ability of steel to withstand a load before experiencing excessive bending or fracture. Method: prepare steel sample, measure sample dimension, install bending fixture on Universal Testing Machine (UTM), place sample on support, adjust loading nose in center of sample, turn on UTM machine and increase load continuously. Record maximum load and deflection readings. Continue until sample shows defect or fracture. Analyze result, flexural stress, modulus of fracture, and modulus of elasticity.
ये देखिए
Advantages of clay brick: fireproof, durable and strong, good thermal insulation, better sound insulation, eco-friendly, using natural materials. Disadvantages of clay brick: heavier than lightweight concrete blocks, high water absorption, which is easy to get damp if installed incorrectly, high energy cost for the burning process, slower construction work, manual bricklaying. Advantages of steel: high strength to weight, flexible and easy to form, fast construction, prefabrication, suitable for large and tall structures, recyclable. Disadvantage of steel: corrosive, high cost, requires fireproofing, requires periodic maintenance.
Applications in Malaysian civil engineering project for clay brick, heritage buildings such as the Sultan Abdul Samad Building in Kuala Lumpur, terrace house and modern village house, old school and government buildings, fence walls and landscape structures. For steel, it widely used in Malaysia's mega structure project. For example, Petronas Twin Towers, steel and reinforced concrete frames, Penang Bridge and Second Bridge. It used steel as its main component. MRT, LRT railway stations, steel structures for roof and platforms. Commercial buildings and shopping malls, I-beams and H-beams.
Sustainable practice or innovation. Clay brick, green brick, eco brick uses industrial waste such as fly ash or slag. Compressed earth brick does not require combustion to save energy. Reusable and recyclable can be reused in small projects. Steel, recycled steel. Steel is 100% recyclable without loss of strength. High strength steel reduce the quantity of material required. Anti-corrosion coatings increase lifespan, reduces maintenance. Prefabricated steel structure reduced.